Good day, wizards. Today's lesson is on useful and wasted energy and the national electricity supply system. Wasted energy. Systems such as appliances, tools, vehicles, and machines provide useful energy outputs. We use these outputs to do work for us. Some energy that is transferred in a system can escape to the surroundings as wasted energy. This is heat, light, or sound that is produced by the energy system, but that is not useful to us. Now let's continue to look at energy flow and systems. In order to improve the energy efficiency of machines and devices, we need to determine the amount of input energy. This is the amount of energy needed for the device to operate properly. Useful output energy. This is the amount of useful energy produced by the device, and also wasted energy. This is the amount of energy that is not used for the required output. It is converted to another form of energy. Energy inefficient power plants. Most electricity in South Africa comes from power plants, wizards. Only about 1/3 of the energy from the coal is converted to useful energy. By the time the electrical energy reaches us from the power plant, it has already undergone several energy conversions. Every time a conversion occurs, some energy is wasted. This means that it does not reach the endpoint. Now, energy transfers in the national grid, the national electricity grid. Electricity in South Africa is generated from sources such as coal, oil, gas, nuclear fuels, falling water, and wind. Approximately 95% of all energy in South Africa comes from burning coal in power stations. The electricity produced by all the forms of power is fed in the 27,000 kilometers of cables in the national electricity grid. The national grid is a system that connects all the power stations to the electricity cables that supply electricity in South Africa. Now let's continue to look at production of electricity. Electricity is produced and supplied following a specific sequence starting in a power station and ending in the electrical appliances in our homes. In all power stations, the energy produced from the coal, oil, gas, nuclear fuels, falling water, and wind is transferred to make large turbines rotate. Turbines look like giant fans with large metal blades. The mechanical energy from the turbine is transferred to a generator, where it is converted to electrical energy. The electricity produced is transferred via the cables of the national electricity and electrical supply system to our homes.